A woman in Hays County was recently arrested, charged with pretending to be an attorney. But the law firm in Dripping Springs that hired her says this is being made out to be something that it's not.
The owner defends her, saying the woman does have experience in other states practicing law and even recently passed the Texas bar. KXAN's Jayla Washington reports.
Walking into the Dorothy Butler Law Firm.
Jayla Washington here with KXAN.
We didn't expect this.
So I was aware that Nichole was not a licensed attorney in the state of Texas.
Nichole Humes was arrested about a week ago, charged with falsely holding oneself out as a lawyer in Hays County last November.
This isn't the notario situation that people see down on the border where somebody just decided one day, I'm going to open up shop and call myself an attorney. This woman holds a JD. She is an attorney. She practiced law for over a decade.
Dorothy Lawrence says she hired her as a paralegal.
Nichole actually graduated from law school over a decade ago. She practiced law in both Pennsylvania and Illinois prior to working with my firm. She had applied for reciprocity within the state of Texas and was waiting on that.
She says Humes never lied about not having a license to practice law in the state.
She was not doing any work that she was unauthorized to do, to my knowledge.
Still, the firm fired Humes at the end of last year. According to court documents on its website, the firm listed Humes as a senior associate attorney. Investigators also said she presented herself as co-lead attorney on a case. Humes telling police Lawrence told her to do that, which Lawrence denies.
I'm not surprised at all.
One of the firm's former clients who filed a complaint with the state's bar association against the firm last year for dragging out a separate legal matter says he doesn't agree with how they do business.
My biggest goal out of this would just for everyone to be aware.
We have an extremely strong reputation here in Dripping Springs. I actually hate that Ms. Humes is going through this situation. I don't think that what's going on right now is necessarily a fair reflection of what she is. The woman is an attorney at the end of the day.
Jayla Washington, KXAN News.
Humes did pass the bar last summer, according to the Texas Board of Law Examiners website. But when you look her up on the state's bar website, she is not listed as a licensed attorney. We've asked the association for clarification as to why. Giving you some context, it is worth it to point out the State Bar of Texas does put out an updated daily list of ineligible attorneys. Links are available online, but they do ask the judiciary review their dockets ahead of pending cases to make sure anyone connected to a pending case may legally practice law in Texas. Yet they are available to answer questions directly if an attorney is eligible. The Texas Supreme Court also appoints the members of the Unauthorized Practice of Law Committee, the UPLC. They actually meet to go over complaints and investigate those illegally practicing.